स्वागत है आप सभी का हमारे इस YouTube चैनल में, जहाँ पे आज हम देखने वाले हैं एक्सपेरिमेंट नंबर 12। तो उसका टास्क है प्रोग्राम टू फाइंड लार्जेस्ट नंबर अमंग 3। So how to find the largest among number 3 with the help of if-else and display the result with the help of Python, that will be discussed in this particular practical. Software है Visual Studio Code. Prerequisite है understanding of Python if-else statement and Python input, output and import. अगर आपको इसके बारे में पता नहीं है if-else statement, Python input, output और import, तो आप प्लीज पाइथन के प्लेलिस्ट में चले जाइए हमारे इसी चैनल में, जहाँ पे आपको सारे लेक्चर मिल जाएंगे। तो पहले देख लेते हैं थ्योरी। तो इफ गिवन 3 नंबर A, B and C, so the task is to find the largest number among the 3. We have used if, else, later to find the largest among the 3 and display it. So let's try to understand with the help of Visual Studio Code. So this is the Python program to find the largest number among the 3 input number. So let's change the number for different value of numerator 1, numerator 2 and numerator 3, and we'll find the result and check the result for the different value for a different result. Okay, now number 1 equal to 9, then number 2 equal to 99 and number 3 equal to 999. Our task is we have to find which is the largest number among this particular 3. So if you want the number with the help of input, then you can use let's say number 1 equal to 0, then input, enter first number, and similarly for second and third. So number 1, number 2 and number 3. This is the second number and this is third. So you can use or you can enter with the help of input, or you can directly give as a variable value number 1, number 2 and number 3. Now we have to find the largest number among 3. So for that, first we apply that if number 1 is greater than number 2 and 3 or not. So let's check if number 1 is greater than or equal to number 2 and number 1 is greater than or equal to number 3. So in this case, the largest is number 1. And if number 2 is greater than or equal to number 1 and number 2 greater than or equal to number 3, in this case the largest is number 2. And if these two conditions are not satisfied, that means number 3 is the largest. The largest is number 3. So print the largest number is large. So whatever the largest number, that will be printed after completion of this particular program. So let's first save this program, then run this. So largest number is 999. So we can find the largest number among 3 with the help of if, elif and else condition. Hope you enjoyed this video. Request to kindly share with among friends, like this video, comment. Thank you.